Hi, at We Share Abundance, we have something for everyone. You want free? Yeah, we've got free. You want passive? Yep, we've got it. You want to change your life? We can help you out. So, how do you get started free? Well, you register, that's free. You verify your email and you verify your ID, and we'll give you $2. So you will receive $2 free. Now you use that $2 to buy pool 1 in our system, you log in daily and you climb to pool 6. How long will it take? It could take just 1 month, it could take you a few months. It depends on how lucky you are, but it's free. And when you've got to pool 6, you qualify for random withdrawals of free cash. So what about passive? Well, passive is something where it's not free, but you don't have to do any work. The 777 plan is a minimum $5 purchase. The Poverty Crusher plan is a minimum $5 purchase. The Easy Team Builder, $9.75 a year. That's a subscription every year. And the Share Hope Powerline plan is a $130 one-time purchase. But if you are totally passive, you have to exercise patience, or if you don't want to be patient, you have to promote these programs. And it's really simple, but it's in your hands. It's your option. Now, the Share Hope Powerline plan, I said, is a $130 one-time purchase, but you can spread that over 12 months for $12 a month. The results are the same. It's just that if you buy it up front, it saves you a few dollars. But we also have a bundle offer for $29.75, which is the same as, well, it's a little bit less than paying $5 for the 777, $5 for the Poverty Crusher, $9.75 for the Easy Team Builder, and $12 for the Share Hope Powerline plan. It's only available to you within 10 days of registration. You can still buy all these plans separately, but the bundle offer saves you a couple of dollars and you get instant bonus benefits. Benefit number 1, you are automatically added to all 6 pools in the Wealth Builder, and that's a $100 value. We give you $1,000 deposit into your US dollar wallet. Now that's not withdrawable, but it is transferred to your Share Hope Trust Fund and will be available for withdrawals through our system. Benefit number 3, we give you a 100% Power of One bonus for 1 month, and that doubles your income in most of our plans, even from the pools, and you would normally take several months to reach that level. But to maintain that after the month, you have to refer just one person every month as a paid member in one of our plans. Doesn't matter whether they buy the bundle, don't matter whether they just get involved in maybe the 777 plan for $5. It's up to them, but one paid member every month will retain you your Power of One bonus. Now you've instantly become an Active Elite member by being in all 6 pools and logging in regularly, and so you're qualified for the Active Elite free cash random allocations every day of up to $150. You're also qualified for the Share Hope random allocations each week of up to $100. You're qualified for the Easy Team Builder free cash random allocation of $1,000 every month. And of course you earn instant commissions from all 4 plans if you choose to promote them. But if you're really serious about changing your life, if you're sick and tired of being sick and tired, if you decided that now you want everything that life has to offer, we can help you with that too. Our Success Blueprint allows you to become a master of your own destiny. You'll learn life skills that will mean you're never, ever again short of money. You will learn to strengthen your willpower so that you'll not be controlled by circumstances, but will control them. The bottom line financially is you'll turn $12.50 a month into a recurring income of over $60,000, and you can do that within a few months. Some people will do it within a few days. How much do you want to change your life? And you will grow your income on autopilot to any level you choose through our Success Blueprint. So it's very simple. You register free now and then choose your own path. There's no obligation. So just do it now. Click the button below, get registered, and then decide just how far and how fast you want to go in life. God bless.